Safe way to remove Hydra on XR. PLs like and subscribe. Rate this video quality, as this is just for testing my channel. Clear the glue that surround the IC chip. You will have to be careful near the CPU, so not to damage the surrounding components. Just take your time to clean the glue very well so that it will be easy to remove. In this video, I will be using soldering iron method. That has been always safe with me. Just take your time while removing the IC chip and be very careful with surroundings component. Be careful while cleaning the pads as they are very easy to lose. And don't apply too much heat while cleaning so for CPU to be safe. While cleaning the pads, one leg removed. So let's see if it's important or just NC. And as you can see, the leg is connected. So I will have to rebuild that leg. After making jumper, I need to cure the UV mask. Now jumper made UV is cured and the leg is built. All I have to do now is to recall a new IC chip. After reballing, the next thing is to seat back the IC chip. Assembly back the phone for testing. And now, as you can see, the phone is charging. Thank you for watching. Please help me and subscribe to the new channel. I will be doing some amazing videos in the later.